Hi viewers, my name is Sirisha. Welcome to my channel Dream Life Diaries. Today I am going to share my busy weekend routine with all of you. I am a working mom who is mostly busy with office work, some household work and taking care of kids' online classes during weekdays. So I make sure my weekends are productive and to take care of all the pending works and whatever required for the upcoming week during the weekend. If you like the video, do not forget to hit the subscribe button and click on the bell icon next to it to receive notifications for the upcoming videos. My day usually starts at 6:30 while my husband and daughter are still in sound sleep. I try to finish my workout before even they wake up. It's been raining from last 1 month almost every day. I adjust my fitness routine depending on the weather. I mostly stick to yoga and practice it at home on rainy days. Otherwise, I prefer to go out for a morning walk or cycling. I got freshened up and all set to go for cycling by 7 am. I usually carry a water bottle and a tube bag to hold the mobile phone. And it can be easily fit to the top tube frame of the bicycle. And a jacket. As I mentioned earlier, it's been raining almost every day and it's quite chilly weather from November to January in Bangalore.
We both are going for cycling today.
Working out with friends is never boring and more productive, motivating one another. I purchased this bicycle from Decathlon. It's very lightweight, fluid and easy to ride. We clicked some selfies and pictures on the way back.
Just done with today's workout. We cycled around for 5 kilometers for 1 hour and we just came back.
I usually have vegetable juice or lemon juice with warm water and honey first thing after the workout. Honey mixed with warm water and lemon has been used for ages and one of the best ways to burn belly fat. This miraculous drink helps flush out toxins from the body and regulate weight in the long run. I made this drink for my husband and myself. Now the busy routine starts with waking up my daughter and get her ready for the breakfast. I have a maid who comes at 7 in the morning, so I don't have to worry about cleaning and mopping the house and washing the vessels daily unless she doesn't turn up. I baked bread for breakfast using Kent Atta and bread maker. My daughter loves bread and this bread maker is a savior. I'm not comfortable to give her store-bought bread as it contains preservatives and chemicals. This one is completely homemade, healthy and very fluffy and tastes much better than store-bought ones. I toasted them using ghee and put a cheese slice in between. And we had our bread toast with Dalfor fruit spread. There are no preservatives, artificial colors and sugars added in Dalfor fruit spreads. They are completely made from fruits and fruit juices, all natural ingredients. For more details on these fruit spreads, click on the suggestion card above. And then I made masala tea for my husband and myself with herbs like ginger, pepper, tulsi, cardamom and lemongrass added. This tea helps cure cold and sore throat in this chilly weather. And then set out to complete few tasks in my terrace garden. This is my terrace garden, small and compact. I have been growing all varieties of leafy greens and few varieties of vegetables for the last 2 years. I spent some time in the garden making biocompost. I have been making biocompost with kitchen waste and food leftovers at home. This is the bin where I kept the wet waste covered for 2 weeks. Then I made layers of this wet waste and coco peat. This needs to be kept aside this way for the next 4 weeks to turn the food scraps into effective fertilizer without any foul smell or worms. The entire process is simple and takes around 6 weeks. And then spend some time in sowing the seeds. I sowed coriander and spinach seeds. And harvested some leafy greens and vegetables. Harvested mint, water spinach, and these vegetables. It's worth the time spent in the garden. And then I made fish curry and ragi mudda for lunch. Ragi mudda goes really well with any veg and non-veg curry. Ragi is loaded with calcium, which is essential for healthy bones. And it's also an excellent source of natural iron, which helps in preventing and curing anemia. And it tastes really yummy when it's served hot. After lunch, my entire afternoon was spent with Bhuvi, helping her finish pending homeworks and make her read some storybooks. As I hardly get time during weekdays, we both try to wrap it up during the weekends. After she finished the homework, she read me a story, The Mice and the Cat.
The Mice and the Cat. A family of mice once lived in a granary. As the mice family increased the number, they started eating up more and more grain.
My daughter loves reading storybooks and I encourage her to read more and more. I purchased these small storybooks from Amazon. You can find the link in the description if you are looking for one. You know, kids get bored when you ask them to study for longer time. They need some entertainment in between. So we played some card and board games for some time. I make sure that she spends quality time playing some physical games with me or with her friends, but not in front of TV or mobile screens. One of the best ways to engage your child at home is to encourage them to play board or card games with you or his or her friends. Concentration and memory are improved by focusing on the game, as they have to remember the rules and when it's their turn to make the move. This is our collection of card and board games. We have variety of games: Game of Life, Forest Run, Master Chef, Scrabble, Guess Who, Scotland Yard, Snakes and Ladders, Ludo, Chess, Housey, Uno, and Word Finder. Whenever she is busy playing with other kids,
Which is like this is yours. You also do like this, see? Right hand. I don't need.
I try to finish my pending work, shooting and editing YouTube videos and making some snacks for the upcoming week, etc. I made oats upma for the dinner. I try to keep the last meal as light as possible. This way, my weekends are completely packed with workout, household work, gardening, cooking, spending time with my daughter, playing with her and teaching her, and shooting, editing and uploading YouTube videos. Of course, it was a very fun and productive weekend. If you like the video, please give a thumbs up, share it with your family and friends, and add your comments to the comment section below. And do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon next to it to receive notifications for the upcoming videos.